Hi farmers, good afternoon. This is Mercy Koech, a herb agronomist who is going to take you through the herbs. And here I have my visitor today who has decided to come and see what we are doing. Let him introduce himself.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Cloud Joseph, and I'm here at K&M Farms Limited. And today I'm so much happy to be with Koech over here. She's a herbalist over here at K&M Farm Limited. So today she's going to share with us how a rosemary, to be a rosemary, how it's going to be from the planting to propagating to back to the land and also back to the consumer. So thank you so much, Koech, for welcoming me here.
Welcome.
And also I'm ready to learn with you as we are doing this.
Okay, now we can come with me.
Yes.
As we are going to take the stem cuttings.
Yes.
Because this is what we are going to use.
Yes.
At the propagation.
Okay. So propagation is like you cut them?
You cut the stems.
Okay.
Have it.
So today I'll be holding this.
Yes. have it as you taste of the aroma.
Oh, so it's just now faster that way. So this one will be like seedlings. Are they like seedlings?
Yes, later on.
Oh my God, it's falling. Come on.
Later on, after they have rooted, they now become seedlings. But for now, they are stem cuttings.
Oh, stem cuttings.
Yes.
These are stem cuttings, guys. As you see, they're called stem cuttings. I'm learning. I'm a student.
Okay, no problem. So after we now took that cutting, we are going to take it to the propagation.
Okay.
Then I will show you on how we are going to do it.
Yes.
Until we achieve the roots. Then we come now and plant it to the farm.
These are enough?
Yes, but you can still add more.
You can still add more. And also maybe should I learn how to cut? You should show me how to, which one is good for me to cut at which portion.
This one is ready.
So
you cut it at this point.
At this point?
Yes.
Okay. So like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Take another one which is mature and clean. Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
So I'll just be using this to measure.
Yes.
Which one is good?
The length.
The length.
Yes.
So you gave me this, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm learning, guys. Nice.
So, yes. Now we have this sample of stems cutting. So we are going to use it at propagation.
So if this one grow well and great, name them Cloud Joseph.
Okay. Okay. I'll put it a tag on it.
So guys, let's
go to propagation.
Yes.
And have something there. Hello, let's wash our hands.
Oh, we have to wash hands.
Yes.
So even planting what we call them propagation, you have to wash your hands.
Yes. Hygiene first.
Okay. So we are dealing with food.
Yes.
Yay. Okay. Okay. This is so nice and amazing. So this
now
is
we enter now the
propagation room, trial unit. All right.
It's a trial unit.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I mean, is it a cold room, a room? Is it a, how do you call this?
A propagation unit.
Propagation unit.
Yes, we are doing some trials.
Trials.
Yes.
So here is where the mother of all things that we see out there
starts here.
Okay. So here is where we call it the surgery room. And you're the surgeon.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So maybe I don't know. Should I how we do this? Yes.
So we have these stem cuttings. This is where we start in propagating of rosemary.
Okay.
So we take, for example, of these. We cut it at 5, let's say 5 centimeters.
Okay.
You can have this.
Okay.
Then you remove the leaves.
Okay, we remove again the leaves.
The lower leaves.
Oh wow! So to create the room for the rooting.
Yes.
Okay, or to create the room for the stem again.
Yes. Pick something
so like this. Okay. Should I be holding them or put them down?
Yeah.
You know, now you are my doctor here. You're my teacher and the principal. I'm the student. So
yes, after removing these leaves.
Yes.
We have a rooting hormone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the rooting hormone.
Yes, you dip it.
Okay.
Then you put it in a prepared media
Okay.
like this.
So this is a powder called
Rooting hormone.
rooting hormone.
Yes.
Okay. So
It will assist in rooting.
assist in
process.
rooting.
Yes.
So I dip mine
Yes.
like this,
Then
just
you put
once.
it. Yes, once.
And then you put them inside here.
Yeah, this is a media which has been prepared using cocoa peat.
Cocoa peat.
Yes.
What is a cocoa peat?
It's a rooting media which will assist this stem to grow.
Oh, okay. While they're at this propagation room, do they need what you call like water or irrigation in terms of maybe
Yes.
irrigation?
After you've done we've done rooting with the powder,
Yes.
you have to do an irrigation in the morning and evening to ensure that the plant doesn't dry up.
Okay, which kind of irrigation? Barrel irrigation, cane irrigation.
The one for small scale farmers, they can even use the watering can.
Okay, watering can.
Yes, so that they can pour it.
Oh wow, very nice. Me, I thought maybe is this sand?
No, now the cocoa peat.
Cocoa peat.
Yes, please.
Is it like sand? Does it act
Have
like
a
sand?
touch.
Oh wow. I thought it's sand.
No, it's not sand. The sand will meet it at
so they'll go meet a sand when they'll be
ready.
When they'll be ready.
After 4 to 5 weeks.
4 to 5 weeks.
Yes.
Oh wow.
So after putting this one now,
Yes.
they want to monitor on the temperature and irrigation.
Okay.
For that 4 to 4 weeks, then you'll get this product now.
Okay. So this here, they are almost.
This is ready.
This is
it
ready.
Has roots.
It has already having roots. Oh,
Yes.
So you have to touch it from here. So we have our rosemary.
Yeah.
Alive.
For transplant.
After having surgery at the first time, then put in incubation maybe on the other end. Now it's having some roots.
Yes.
And yeah, maybe what are the challenges you face while doing fertigation?
Yeah, sometimes you can get a point whereby not all the stems are surviving. Others maybe have been affected by temperature. What temperature? Now that here is Ukambani, you expect it.
Absolutely.
Yes. So but we are trying to get a solution as we are going on.
What are kind of the solution for the new farmers? Maybe that you have experienced and you have to share, or you want to keep it on yourself. You say, now I want to be hired, me as the herbalist, you know?
No.
Yes.
They can get like that watering can for good watering. Yes, they should have enough water each and every day, checking morning and the evening.
Okay.
Yes.
As a herbalist, why are you encouraging people to grow rosemary rather than maybe, okay, as rosemary, what as a herbalist, what are you encouraging the new farmers about the rosemary?
As compared to other crops, rosemary is even better than a crop like tarragon, and this one is better in terms of its cost effective,
Yes.
and you can have a very good success of stems.
Okay. Approximation of at K&M Farms.
Yes.
If you want to grow maybe the what you call like the stems of the rosemary, how many seedlings or stems? Let me say stems. Do you fertigate at this what you call a fertigation room or area?
It depends on what you want. Like if you want a certain area, you have to count the number of trays. Yes.
At a surviving rate of maybe 500 stems of rosemary, how many stems do you propagate? Maybe let me say an approximation of 500 stems, or for you propagating over here in this room.
Yes.
How many can they survive on your hands as a herbalist?
Let's say 90%.
90%
and above.
And above.
Yes.
So 90% and above, you know, the above can be 110, and you're just rating at 500.
Let's say give 95.
95%.
Yes.
So 95% of 500 seedlings, maybe let's say 5% can not survive, or can be at maybe having wrong, but they'll survive still.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Later on.
All right now.
Yes.
So do you do what you call like selling of the seedlings now?
Yes. We are able to sell the seedlings when they are ready. In case for our own area is we are full of it, then the excess one we can sell
Oh wow.
Yeah, so if in case there is some farmers who needs the cuttings, they can contact
Where
us
can they get them?
at K&M Farms.
K&M Farms.
Yes,
Oh wow, very
at
nice.
YouTube.
Very great having you, herbalist Mercy Koech. This is one of the, we call the food soldiers at K&M Farms Limited. She has been with us, showing us from the farm how you can just trim and make all this what we call like the stem of what you call like the rosemary. So from here to the land, how many weeks? 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Back to the land,
Yes.
how many for it to be harvested, to be started to be harvested?
It will take around 3.5 to 4 months that it can be ready.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh wow. So during that period, how do you make your plant survive from pests and diseases?
Okay. After taking it from the propagation,
Yes.
that is where you take it to where we prepare the beds. Which we put the DAP for the root growth.
Before putting this.
Yeah, no. Once you have this cutting,
Yes.
now it has become the roots.
Then
there at the farm, on a prepared bed, you have to plant it with the DAP.
DAP.
Yeah, that's the first.
That's the mass and
fertilizer.
that's the first fertilizer.
Yes.
Okay. Afterwards.
Then after taking 6 to 7 weeks there, then you can put the CN.
The CN.
Yes. Then with the management of scouting and pest control, irrigation, after 4 months you have the rosemary ready for harvest.
Oh wow, 4 to 5 months.
Yes.
It's very ready.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mercy, for having us at this channel at Cloud Joseph and also at K&M Farms Limited.
Yes.
Maybe from here we're going to learn more about planting of this. And yeah, for those who are watching us, you have heard about the planting.
Yes.
And also starting
and
from
apart from rosemary,
yes,
we also have tarragon.
oh, tarragon.
Yes. Okay, on the other side, we also have tarragon.
Tarragon.
We also propagate tarragon. There is thyme. There is oregano. There is mint. But for now, we are having tarragon and rosemary.
And of course, guys, tarragon is the mother of Anastasia. So of course, if you don't know that, we should be doing more researches about this. Today, I learned about tarragon and its advantages, and also rosemary and its advantages. So for today, we are in this propagation area where we are seeing and we are learning more about rosemary, tarragon, and more of the more herbals. We are thyme.
Yes.
Which one again?
There is mint.
Mint. Yes. And more and more and more others. Thank you so much for this time being with you and also educating us at this time about how to propagate these kind of plants or herbs in this area at K&M Farms Limited. Any word for the watchers or farmers or any?
I'm saying for those who are watching us, if you want any cutting for herbs, especially for those we've listed, for the tarragon, the thyme, the rosemary, mint, and oregano, you can contact us through our channel, YouTube. There is Facebook.
There's
so
Instagram.
That there is Instagram, so that we can able to do it for you.
Yeah, at K&M Farms Limited, guys. So let's wait and see. And also, we are waiting for your orders as soon as possible. If you're watching this video, feel free to subscribe at K&M Farms Limited. And of course, at Cloud Joseph, we are here and we are here to lift you. We are here to lift the nation. We are here to heal the world. Thank you so much, Madam and the herbalist Mercy Koech. And be blessed all, guys. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.